Hello street food lovers. Prepare yourselves for a culinary adventure that will transport your taste buds straight to the bustling streets. Today, we're embarking on a journey to create the ultimate egg and chicken roll, an absolutely irresistible fast food marvel. Get ready for a crispy, juicy, and incredibly flavor-packed delight. We're bringing the authentic flavors of the street right into the comfort of your very own kitchen. From creating the perfect, balanced spice mix that infuses the chicken with incredible flavor, to mastering the art of the final, satisfying wrap, we'll guide you through absolutely every single step. We're leaving no stone unturned as we teach you how to make this truly mouth-watering and authentic street-style roll right in your own home. Forget takeout. Let's dive right in and begin this exciting culinary experience together. Alright, let's take a look at everything you'll need to create this absolutely delicious and satisfying snack. Make sure you have everything ready to go before we start. Boneless chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces and marinated in a carefully selected blend of aromatic spices for maximum flavor. Fresh eggs, the foundation of our delicious roll, paratha, or your favorite type of flatbread, store-bought or homemade, either will work perfectly. Finely chopped onions, fiery green chilies, for a little kick, and fresh coriander, to add a burst of freshness, a selection of tangy sauces and essential seasonings, to customize the flavor to your exact liking. Just look at that golden, perfectly crispy roll. The incredible flavors of juicy, tender chicken, soft and fluffy egg, and deliciously crunchy onions all come together in perfect harmony in every single bite. It's absolutely perfect for a quick and satisfying snack, or even as a fulfilling and delicious meal all on its own. Go ahead and try this amazing recipe at home. We're certain you won't be disappointed. And please, let us know how it turns out for you in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for even more amazing and mouth-watering recipes coming your way. See you in the next video. Happy cooking!